Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best TV wall mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find all the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Pippi Full Motion TV Monitor Wall Mount Bracket. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $21.99. Despite the low price, it packs a surprising punch with compatibility for TVs ranging from 13 to 42 inches and a maximum weight capacity of 44 pounds. It's perfect for compact spaces, offering full motion capabilities, including a tilt range of +9 degrees/11 degrees, 90-degree swivel, depending on screen size, and even a 360 degrees rotation for portrait or landscape viewing. It extends up to 14.59 inches and retracts to just 2.7 inches to save space. The design is solid, constructed with high-quality alloy steel for durability. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the single stud placement and removable TV plate that allows for single-person installation. This makes it ideal for smaller TVs or monitors in offices, kitchens, or bedrooms. However, it's worth noting the limited screen size compatibility and the lower weight capacity compared to other mounts on this list. Overall, the Pippi is perfect for anyone looking for a simple, affordable solution for smaller TVs or monitors. While it may not be the best option for larger screens, its price, ease of use, and versatility make it a strong contender for budget-conscious buyers. At number 4 on our list is the Amazon Basics Full Motion Articulating TV Monitor Wall Mount. This mount offers incredible value at just $24.58, making it an affordable yet feature-packed option for TVs sized between 26 and 55 inches, with a weight limit of 80 pounds. The mount supports VESA patterns from 100 by 100 millimeters to 400 by 400 millimeters, and offers a tilt range of +10 degrees to -5 degrees to reduce glare. Plus, it includes 180-degree swivel functionality and an extension range from 2.6 inches to an impressive 16.3 inches. Great for achieving the perfect viewing angle. The build quality is robust, featuring alloy steel construction that ensures long-term reliability and stability. The design is sleek and functional, and it comes with all necessary installation tools, including a bubble level and mounting template. However, it is limited to single stud installation, which may not be ideal for larger walls or heavier TVs. Performance-wise, users praise its smooth motion and sturdy build, though some report minor challenges with installation. If you're looking for an affordable mount that doesn't compromise on features, the Amazon Basics Full Motion Articulating Wall Mount is an excellent choice. It's a great middle ground option for those who want reliability and flexibility without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the Mounting Dream UL listed TV mount. If you're looking for a sturdy, reliable mount for larger TVs, this is an excellent option. It supports TVs ranging from 37 to 75 inches and holds up to an impressive 132 pounds, making it suitable for heavy-duty setups. The mount's low-profile design keeps your TV just 1.5 inches from the wall, creating a clean and modern look while saving space. It also features an 8-degree tilt functionality, which is great for reducing glare and enhancing your viewing experience. The build quality is top-notch, with heavy-duty metal construction and UL certification, ensuring durability and safety. Installation is straightforward, though it requires 16, 18, or 24-inch wood studs or concrete walls. This mount isn't compatible with drywall alone. It comes with clear instructions and a leveling tool, but users may need additional concrete anchors depending on their wall type. Performance-wise, it's a reliable workhorse for larger TVs. Though its limited mobility, it's a tilt-only mount, may not suit those looking for full motion. Overall, the Mounting Dream UL-listed TV mount is ideal for anyone prioritizing stability and simplicity for larger TVs. While it doesn't offer full motion capabilities, its robust build and space-saving design make it a great choice for larger screens in living rooms or home theaters. At number 2, we have the Pearly Gear UL listed full motion TV wall mount, which is a powerhouse for larger TVs. Designed for screens from 42 to 85 inches and capable of holding up to 132 pounds, this mount is perfect for heavy-duty setups. It features dual articulating arms that are 30% thicker than standard mounts, ensuring stability and safety. The mount offers full motion capabilities, including tilt, plus 5 degrees minus 15 degrees, swivel, plus minus 50 degrees, and post-installation leveling, plus minus 3 degrees. This makes it incredibly versatile for achieving the perfect viewing angle, whether you're in a living room or home theater setup. The build quality is exceptional, with heavy-duty steel construction and UL certification for durability and safety. The design also incorporates thoughtful features like anti-drop end caps and security locks for added peace of mind. Installation is easy thanks to the included hardware and drilling template, though it's not compatible with drywall alone. The mount's extension range of 16.6 inches and retraction to just 3 inches makes it space-efficient while offering flexibility. The Pearly-Gear mount is ideal for larger TVs in premium setups. Its blend of robust build quality, full motion functionality, and thoughtful design makes it a top pick for users who want both performance and reliability. The only downside is the higher price point compared to budget options, but the value it offers is undeniable. Finally, at number 1, we have the Mountain Dream TV wall mount for 32 to 65-inch televisions, the premium option on our list at $49.99. This mount is the gold standard for medium to large TVs, offering a perfect balance of functionality, durability, and price. It supports TVs up to 65 inches and 99 pounds with a max VESA of 400 by 400 millimeters. The mount features full motion capabilities, including tilt, plus 5 degrees, negative 15 degrees, swivel, left or right, and post-installation leveling, plus or minus 3 degrees. It also boasts a generous extension range of 17.5 inches and retracts to just 3.4 inches, making it versatile for various room layouts and viewing preferences. The design is robust, with 6 articulating arms and robot-welded technology ensuring stability and safety. The thoughtful design includes Allen key storage and pre-labeled hardware bags for easy installation. It's not compatible with drywall alone, but it works perfectly with 16-inch wood studs or concrete walls. Users rave about its sturdy build, smooth motion, and easy-to-follow installation process. The Mounting Dream MD2380 offers everything you'd want in a TV wall mount. Whether you're setting up a living room, home theater, or even a bedroom, this mount provides top-tier performance and reliability. Its price is higher than budget options, but the features and quality make it well worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.